So if you actually got handcuffs stuck, you're playing police. Now this is how you get it off. This is how you get it off. So, you got some handcuffs, right? You want to get something like this. Put that in the hole. Wherever it says turn, just want to keep turning it. Keep turning it. Sometimes if it doesn't work, you just gotta put some in here. And you just keep turning it and turning it. Eventually it will come out. It takes a while to do it. So, this is just how you keep doing it. There's an easier way, but get this I'm gonna keep twisting it the way I tell you to turn it, and keep twisting it. There. Same with this one. Let's keep twisting it. Look, I hate you. You just want to keep twisting it. Whatever way I tell you to twist it. Just want to keep twisting it. Whatever way I tell you to twist. Keep twisting it the way I tell you to twist. Oh my. I think I can't freaking do it again. Let's move on to the easy way. So, the rest of this. So, you got handcuffs stuck, right? So, part 2, the easy way. If you guys are stuck, not on anybody, but you need to use this because it's stuck on somebody. Stick it on somebody. You just want to keep doing it, why would you keep doing that? It's just gonna make it more hurt. But, same as this one. Yeah, that's how you take handcuffs out. Yeah, see you in my next video. Bye!